Hello everyone, welcome to ProTechnoid. So in this video we'll see how to turn on Bluetooth and connect an headphone to your Windows 10 system. First click on this show hidden icons arrow button here and check if Bluetooth icon is available here. If it is not available, then you need to turn on your Bluetooth first. Go to start and type in Bluetooth. So click on Bluetooth and other devices settings. So now you are on the Bluetooth and other devices screen. Click on the switch button to turn on Bluetooth. So once Bluetooth is turned on, to add a new Bluetooth device, click on the add Bluetooth or other device button here. Now you will see the add a device pop up. Here click on Bluetooth. So now your system will start searching for nearby Bluetooth devices and make sure your Bluetooth device is visible. Wait for it to identify your Bluetooth device. Once your system identifies your Bluetooth device, just click on your Bluetooth device and it will connect automatically. Now the connection is successful. How do you know whether the connection is successful? You will see the disconnect button here. So now the connection is successful. Click on done. So now you can see the connected Bluetooth device here, Oppo Enco Buds 2. So friends, this is how we need to turn on Bluetooth and connect or pair a new Bluetooth device. So I hope you found the solution you are looking for. If there are any other issues, let me know in the comment section. Also, please like, share, and subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you, guys.